ene ya hema mu kingdom de no ana wa mo gye e wa mankasi mu a emfinfin mantam mu Africa sowa ade kwa kosi bakana no e wo kabokasu Cape Coast anase gwai wo mu nyina agi ni nyina dunkwa no afen wo mu nyina afa ya wo mu tretre mu information centers bro pepia nkoma wo mu nyina afa ne kama sa wo join ye wo Facebook ne so a eye Sompa Accra 106.5 live Sompa Accra 106.5 live eno ye Facebook no ana YouTube no eye Sompa FM live afi www.sompaonline.com so ensam no ne duduo mu ya kruche de nyina brofo kasem brofo ene ye de akwagu wa kama ya se oduru ho na obetimi akenkan a otimi kenkan na wa hye ase ho na ye comment section wo ho na wa contribute to quota na bibia atumi aye fine ne nyina nation building abusia ya tenasi eya Ghana nkomo frɛ wobi no bi nso frɛ wobi na wobi nkanche obi inform wobi obi nso nkanche obi se ye bite ne hot na nso anhyehye midin di odoma nkoma chia me OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH we no ayatena sesei no Ghana nkomo nti se Facebook ho na awa St. Augustine sadawroma wade ye nam ho AGYA Apam Dadaa nso ejina ha den egbochidom one bretuoba na odifo wo nyina ya kagum kama abusia afi Ghana nkomo yemfama wo nansan wo ba hwe nkrofo bebre bi ni nam na binum kura no a bi ya anyontofo ya wo mo akwate bia num bi ya celebrities a wo mo so makwate bia num bi afri mu apie ubonsu wo mo de placards no mo ye campaign red means stop red means stop red means stop no nya ya traffic light de no ya to no red means stop ni bia nya no na emum red means stop say na no afini bia ba ye say unim red na kwabra na igina faako na order kwabra na igina faako no wafa 225 say 255 and 250 na wamo nonom enne mabunu nu bone nko a unim say na no na make kasa asem we Ghana today so ebinu mu hwia sabiye owu a wudi di facha me sabiye wamo hata na wamo twe ne sabe se wi sabiye o enu achi super glue na amanfo ohwia lavender anas ye friend lavender no anas perfume spray na kwabra ne num spray gu ne yam we nyina o eye nipa mabunu no aye ne omote sese no ni adwene na kodu no anu ti Narcotics Control Commission wo mo atena wo man mu ahunu se da bi eye nipa bi nsa no nso na de we nyina nam a efa de beduru wo man yi mu he wo de fa port aye beche no enti bi wo a wo mde ne nam lungulungu nkete sa anu mu piapia ba nanso Narcotics Control Commission kire se wo de gise nyame ana obetimi de hinta no na nyankopon so obetimi de hinta no na se wo mene wo kasa se one mo to sa de fresh Sompa na wo mo fresh Sompa se dia e won kran ha nipa wa jesuo eye national and international reporter honorable MP for Sompa na no opon checheku wano na jesuo eno nti wokoye na wokoye no ene se enuboni ni ame bubosu abusia join ye wo Facebook ne so na behwa de why eya Sompa Accra 106.5 live ena YouTube ni Sompa FM live na behwa de mame enuboni pa na emuduro ne dodo no ye kekamba mu a eye 9.6 tons emu oduru pa ebi wom pa ena nakofo abomodin akotwa jatum ahye ni nyina adwere bi na we no womuso wo mpese wo mbaye ne se ai o na anu de bi esi ye o ye kwahye no nso mwie na fa edan ho na asa bepie nkrofo botom womuso wo nya sa de ni bi no nti no womuhye da fresh Sompa se Sompa so de womu asem no ne enkra womukra womuka na fe ye be hye da be from se ye be kra mo eno so so wombeka eno nti womufre na wapon chekudi a kire boko na wono koye no Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante wono na edi simpie nanim ema womutwa agyato mu nyina na ni nyina mu no ansa kura na ye bebo ne nsem no nyina no yenkwa homa ne so na ye ne national and international reporter na no opon checheku ye ne nkobon nkomo emra ansa ye wi a na nsem a Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante wɔde to dwa wɔn na wɔmaayɛ ɛne adwuma a wɔn kɔyɛ yɛ nyinaa no ne yɛde ho nsɛm no nyinaa no ɛde ama wo international maajoy
Major Sobrimpong
no honam no bɔkɔɔ deɛ
adwene ahwɛ yie megye de sɛm so mo ho yɛ
experience ka ho yɛ konkɔn hɔ saa na kɔkɔfoɔ frɛ mo no menim sɛ wɔn amfrɛ mo sɛ wɔn bɛma mo training ɛna wɔn amfrɛ mo sɛ wɔn akye mo sansa mo kora deɛ wo sɛ edubɔne kora nya deɛ nya nne yɛ die ya wokɔ yanka wo hunu bi mpo da wokɔ yɛ na wɔn mo sesɛn paa atiefoɔ ɛne asopa ɛpɛnsɛmpa ɛtie deɛ afiri akwapa no kwafoɔ hɔ
Obrimpong me da se no kranie sɛnea wodi kankan yɛ no sɛ nyɛ sɛ nne paa metimi bɔ mmɔden ɛkɔpie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ bundase a ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dowenya kwantempɔn no so na yɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ cocaine mehu bi da ɛnɛ ne me first time a mehu cocaine na Obrimpong ɔhu sɛ nyame yɛ adom a yɛfia dɛ wɔyɛ anim yi ɛna yɛdi ɛyɛ ewiase afa ne nyinaa nubrɔne yɛkae ho na yɛahyɛ ho fa na efiada no enkra hanom sɛdeɛ no ɛbɛkɔ so ɛwɔ UPS na enum ɛna ɛyɛ narcotic control board wɔn ɛne ɛyɛ Ghana Standard Authority ɛne afei nso stakeholders ahohoro ɛka ho bie ɛna wɔn nyinaa etimi ɛka wɔn ho baa no wɔn kyerɛ sɛ afie wei deɛ no afie bi wɔn bɛdi a wɔn akyekyekye ɛyɛ enubɔne deɛ firi wɔn ho yɛka ne nyinaa bom na yɛfrɛ nsɛntwerɛfoɔ aka ho na afei akɔkɔpa egya ne yɛde atum na ɛno no yɛtwa ma obiara tumi ahu nti ɛne no ɛyɛ afiri mu deɛ nso a wɔn ɛyɛyɛ na ɛnum na Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante wɔno ɛna ɔyɛ Director General ɛdema ɛyɛ NACOD wɔde tu dɛ kyerɛ mu sɛ afie wei deɛ no ɛyɛ enubrɔne ɛyɛ na ɛfɛ no cannabis yi 9.6 tons ɛna wɔn nyaayɛ a ɛna ɛyɛ twɛgyadeɛ atum yi ɛna ɛyɛ cocaine yi nso yi 46.89 kilograms a ɛno nso wɔn atwɛgya ɛde atum ɛnɛ 2,734 ɛno no yɛ bottles kyesɛ bi a wi ɛnsa anaasɛ bi a nea yɛahyehyɛhyɛhyɛ wɔn ntoantoa mu no ɛno bi nso ka ho ɛna afei nso no ɛyɛ 130 boxes of hemp ɛno nso no ɛyɛ bonsam tawa yi nyinaa die ɛna ɔmo ka ne nyinaa bom a ɔmo atwa agya ɛde atom wei akɔyɛ kɔkɔbɔ a Brigadier General ɛde ma ɛyɛ Ghana ni biara kyerɛ mu sɛ ɛnɛ yi a yɛkae ewiase afa ne nyinaa ɛdɛ ɛwɔ yɛn anim yi sɛ yɛhyɛ fa ɛde ama ɛyɛ sɛneɛ enubɔne yɛsifa ɛhyɛ ho dwa no nokore ne nyame anim nie ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtumi ɛde afutuo ɛka ho bie enti Brigadier General ne nsɛntwerɛfoɔ kasa no mo a mohwɛ ɛwɔ Facebook page ne so no sɛneɛ kwan a ɔmo fa so a ɔmo tumi twa agya ɛde tu mu no ɛna yɛhwɛ no ɛbrɛ a wɔkasa wɔde ato do akyerɛ mu sɛ yɛmfi asiansi ano kwan ɛna anhwɛ adaakye nkɔma bi no yɛnya nkwadaa mpo a yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ wɔnum ɛyɛ future leaders te sɛ ɛyɛ Obrempong nea ne wɔfa ase yi sɛ yɛmfi ase ansɔ amo ano a anhwɛ na akɔkɔ ha adwene ɔpanin san so de to do akyerɛ mu sɛ sɛsie a yɛkasa yi yɛnhwɛ beebi te sɛ schools ahohoro mu ɛno ne ade a ɛde ehubɔ kɛseɛ paa ɛde abrɛ wɔn a ɛmɛ nnɛ wɔn tutu sɛ yi nti ɛnɛ no dwumadie no wɔn ti yɛ no wɔn de anoma ɛbɔ baako kum ɛnoma mmienu nea ɛde kan wɔn kɔhyee ɛyɛ nnuban nyinaa ɛna wɔn san so de efutuo ɛkɔ de ama ɛyɛ schools ahohoro a yɛbɛka yɛ adaa no Central University nkwadaa makomako enum asuafoɔ wɔn di ɛyɛ dubɔn no ho gya anaasɛ wɔn nso yɛakɔkɔkyɛ wɔn wɔ dubɔn no ho yi ne nyinaa ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a wɔn aguni sɛ ɛnkyɛ wɔn ba bɛto wɔn nso de agu sukuu ahodoɔ no nyinaa mu ɛne ɛhɔ no sɛ yɛbɔ piniw yɛmmɔ nka yɛ na mmom si yɛhu sɛ enubɔne no bi ɛyɛ adeɛ ɛhyɛ wo ho anaa wodi ho dwumadi a ɛyɛ adeɛ no nso ɛmna no bɛdi akonya baeɛ ma Obrempong nsɛntwerɛfoɔ yɛ bisa nsɛm na ɔpɔ nkyɛkyɛ kuma asɛm a mebisa ne kyerɛ sɛ Say ekoba ti say Brigadier General omochi eye suspect na. Dey be no mo ye wo mo. Odi to do chemu say no kura ni nyame anum nie. Say eye ka say court no etimi ahyeda pe edankruwa bi a eno no yetimi edi eye no broni hu ensem die enko a e wo high court. Itene wudu won ma enya de e beche kura. Wakasa dia to do chemu say eye ka say omani gusu dia fofo bi chia omuti no broni hu ja a ento ankoko mi say ene ayi so ankoko mi say eda efiada no eni o nya chinipa akwedu no nso no omuhwehwe mu ya ade eguso koso a ye da sankofo na yensa ebetimi aka nemum wo mo hom bechi wo ne de omu de omu nyina kokodu eye asendibia na fa asendibia de du eno na wo ka e de atu de akyemu sei ye chiwa edi nyankopon ana court ana ebetimi apam a wo betimi nya wuti e de didim
mo nana oponcheku wamane boy emu da ho pa Ghana fo ate ase yenim se akire yi yabesamba na nkomo foforo wa akire no ye no abeto aso nti sabre de kotra waja nsa de faso wo no krem kakra ya wadi hu no kure why
wala
abusia national and international reporter nana oponcheku enkrampopuni mantam ha de wono de si anan mera hye bedwam ane kwana bia so ya hye greater akra ha de wono na ya na wofa ho ama ne bo nyina e de bre yen wono na yete ne nka no enti na kokofo wono mdwumadi a ene wom kodi wa bunda ase ba bia military fo no wom camp ba ko no wo da wenya ansakura no adu chopoli ba bia affordable house ne wono ansakura no adu ho no ene dwuma wom koye ni bi no na Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante ne nsam a wade tu dwane no ebi nie.
I mentioned the last time that apart from enforcement that involves arrest and not merely to destroy narcotic drugs and controlled substances, but to demonstrate Ghana's unwavering commitment to protecting public health, public safety, and national security. The substances being destroyed this morning were lawfully seized through the dedicated efforts of NACOC and our partner security agencies, and have gone through the requisite legal processes to get the permission to destroy them. This exercise represents the final stage of our enforcement efforts and ensures that these dangerous substances never find their way back into our communities. For this morning, we had 9.6 tons of cannabis, 46.89 kilograms of cocaine, 2,734 bottles of cannabis-laced drinks, 130 boxes of hemp-related products, and others that the court permitted us to destroy. Collectively, these substances represent thousands of doses that have fueled addiction, destroyed families, and endangered young people, as well as strengthened criminal networks. This distraction sends a very strong message, and I mean a very strong message, and an unmistakable one, that Ghana remains resolute in denying drug traffickers and criminal networks their profits from illicit drug activities.
We Brigadier General Maxwell Obuba Mante. Na papa no de wo bema ena asam no so waka no na waka eno ano no na ni nyina mu no wasan de akwantre to akiri kwan ya befa so a ye besi ano.
They say the wheel of justice grinds slowly, and before you convict somebody, they are all at various stages of conviction. A few have been convicted, and for prosecution, a few have been convicted are serving their jails. They are all, a lot of them are in the various stages. And let me tell you, every week I brief national security on the process and the progress. And so there's no way anybody can be spared. If you go to court and you are freed, we will appeal. If we appeal and lose, we'll go to the Supreme Court. If we are still not satisfied, we'll ask for it. That is what we are doing, and that is what we are doing. Nobody should think that when you are freed at the circuit court, that is the end of it. We'll go up to a review to serve as an example, because it's not a joke. If you go to the secondary schools and see young lads who are supposed to be future leaders engaged in illicit drugs, you'll be sad. And it's not even limited to the boys' schools. Boys, mixed schools, and even girls' schools. Are you sure within the next 3, 4, 5 years we are going to get people like to come and stand here and interact with us? That is where our beef is. And so my interest is in the secondary schools and the universities. For the Central University incident is in court, so I cannot comment. But other institutions that are involved in it, rest assured, will visit you at an unholy hour.
Brigadier General no Maxwell Obubamante na oti ensem ne bi ho a wakan ya waka ate won na ato akire won mo a edi sa adwuma na akire kura no ansa na wode won ne kura to aso wo ho no na oka mabunu na wo mo fo saa niema wesu nu bone no wo mo di so dendenden ya wo mo so wo mo de champion atafo yenya wo na wo mo nse samfrafo aso no hwe me nkyere wa akiri asante mantamu ba bia mo tie me sisi 93.1 e wo hwa da braka wo de otete famu a bedru manhia se ho no a ba bia tenkesfo no wo no wo de bra ho ba hwe wo de awura tenkes wo ba hwe ade hwe me nkyere wa akiri bi kura na wona mo nkokọ ko bodem ko hwe ba bia na anu wo mo ko bubu ye ko hwe wo mo timi ekun wi ho na wo mo de se kan ni blade twitwa wo mo ho no bi na anu ba ya ayi nyumtuni ba ko a no wono akwaje ne kwafuru kwa muwo e wo nkokọ no nkokọ ho na we ye wo mo ka nyina no pharmacies wo ye areas wo mo na tonton hwe na no da bia ya na meka se tramadol no
Sompa FM
enya de a anka ya de bone etese paracetamol tie ne ye pa anka tramadol enya de a nanka ya de bone ye yusu all right but e was say ye prescribe e de maw eno ye de prescribe de amawa unipa na doctor ni no wa hwe wa ho ode no wahu ni ya wa wonam nti na o say nomwei eno kra no nhyehyɛ ye da ho nanso me man ga na mu nipa no asomasi ekoto obi ana ye prescribe man no a onom ya ne tipa ye ana ya obi ana wo fa mu gyae no wode adane tuamuda enti na wo onom adechia wode aye enti onipa no onam wo ne kidney ya asai ne pancreas kra de se enti menya hwe se nipa wei obakọ akogina akọ we kọtọ aho ka se ye ne edi mo chitu abama amo na afei wo nya sika nkoto biewa na wo kọbọkoro no ene wo kọ pharmacy ho nso so a pharmacist no a wo ho no wono so ye de agya no nti ni sika a wo pẹ enti oba mesi me odi akonkokọ ho na mfiri ba o wekọ no wo mutwitwa ba ko 5 cedis ayi no tramadol no wo twitwa blister na wo so 10 no wo twitwa ba ko 5 cedis enu nti na brigadier mo ahunu ne price abo ne price a kire wo no a kire se we se o quantify amount na ebeye sei sa 225 ne 250 na sefo ne 50 mg na sefo nyina no ukọ pharmacy ho a e wo boda so enti wo mo ankasa kura betimi akọ ena bia fana se meti hei makọ hospital doctor ama me prescription say kona koto tramadol eno kra say capsule so say tablet you koto tramadol say no the milligram and say the quantity no of that tramadol substance no the wom what the ahye ho e bia to ne say to say obekọ pharmacy wo no ne price wo ho entu be hunu eno na wo mo hunu bia wo mo kan na abusia yegusu toto ahoma no a hwesen ke nsabeka na kokofo wo mo pani kwankyerefo a oda na koka no yero atwumberema yegusu to a se nsabeka no ahoma yi so esansensem bebre ewo ho agya wo mo adwuman e wo se esua de afiri mu na yebusabusa nsam kakra afiri mu na yehwe wo madwuma no kra no sen na tie e na wei amanfo bebre nso criticize say we dia se esua we no 9.6 tons ni nyina quantifier ase esua bebrebe wo market yi bebrebe a wo mo chi da bia ya chi we wa ha da bia ya chi we wa ha na nsen ya voter region senior parcels a wo mo achi ni voter region na nsen ya in the space of 1 month and it could be 2 months in term substances a wo mo achi from OT to voter region na say we ya wo mo si esua ni aka na wo he nkrofo bi ansem wo sika na wo he ni aka na wo he we nyina ye nsem bisa Ghana fo bi busa adwuma ne de mo ye asem ka ni ho nanso ebinom wo misgivings kakra e wo nsam ne ho we ya ye hye nu amanfo ebinom allegation allegedly binom say wo ba hwe kra no na we ye bi a 1/4 ana 1/5 of ni awon ache en wo mo abehye ni aka no wo he yeguso hwase yansa beka yewra twumberima na ka ye ne no ato ankomo no so yabomu a ase agyinamo tuntum bi abebutu ahoma ne so enti wo a wonim ne bia ka che yewra twumberima se sompafo na efre no ti ba bia wo bia no nkanka wa excuse ne ho kakra na wanje so na fi Ghana fo pensempa ne bia tie ne abusasa so we no a wo mo ahye eno ano no ana ebeyade a ebeye periodic ade se bia anya hwe bosumi bia ne ambachi bia no mabehye ena sa ne ya adu a wo mo kwachi pastors ne sa ne ma no nyina no a wo mutimi bubbo mo kire yen so ya chi we dodo se wa ha ya kwachi we dodo se wa ha no eduru ho a Ghana fo wo sa ayi retentive memory no enti na no be se 1600 slaps ya omukwaji wo voter region yi amanfo se 1600 di wo mu hunu wo ne awo mo hye no imu wo hu na no ba ku bi nso a wo mo chi no wo ayi o ko voter region ho a between ho ne ho mfimfin ho no na no ba ku bi no nso wo no ko chi ho a wo mbebo ho amane eno nso amanfo se wo mu hunu wo we mu because na tata so bebre bi ho be hwe boto be yese nkono edu na no ba ku bi de boto makoma aduosia aso wo hyepo ni nyina kwadi prempanifu ansam eno nti we ka ho bi ana se we no eye just a curtain razor edema kesepa na won be hye no na kesepa no de bia na won de be kwa Crossport Stadium na wo bi ahwe bi ni nyina ya asem wa Ghana fo bi busa ena ni nyina so ye nsem a ewase ye gye ho muaye edema tiefo abusia we nyina mu no se wo ba bi unipa bi ubusuani bi wakodi sansensem e wo sa ha we bi mu a entempa so emwa wo ho entempa so fane bra na yenya na adwene ho adwuma esanse eya adwene no mu ena we nyina ehya se ade firi ebi o krampo a inferiority complex no ena mo mo de ye sa ade no o me kra de we de obi mini obia saa na wo de akoye saa ne ensa se wo de koye nanso ye se empani to sa no na kekọ mabunu de mabunu nso na fo enubone so no cocaine heroin ene wo mo hwia ayi super glue ene sabiye hye misi da no meti sa asem we sa manfo hata sabiye na wo wi a wo twetwa de agu rezela so na wo twa ja tum na si na no sabiye na wo kotin kese no mu ho kohwe krofromas ye ho kohwe ho ana de chem so ensuo na se ho no kohwe ho bantama hentachima atachem bantama atachem kohwe ho ye kan bodefo na dwa e won kokko mayi wom to but nyina ye oman ne hawo na so say ye be ya yem twen mane nkoduru ho ansanti eni egusu a ye box akase yi e de ama wo say yensa ka yera twumberima ye ne beto ankomo ne so e wo efia ha midimafo ba santa e de ama ye ne hwe obi atwen saa ne menya ma sesei wa ye one side na anu abrante ne nyom obo ye one side shoulder what the no adane anthem ena wo ba one side shoulder no wo mema na battery so enso nu bone na aye ne saa fa ne ko midimafo ba center no bedi ama no wo bi wo wa wo se o meme de na me nom ne de eye ade bi nti saa de kode no a eye hawo nti a wo no nom saa nu bone no ko midimafo ba center no ani ma why eye sisi ade ana de no ko toje wo chepe o fa na adwodwo ana prostate wo ha no na won kan wie ye sese ama wo ha no ekwa na ni mu pa wo de ne ya wo ana se diabetes ena agye wa boso me pacho medimafo ba center hwe wono no mo sa nuro ya ma o kidney asai ko medimafo ba center na woni ma wo Dr. Time da so de bre time beto ya de ne so na watu ase kama e de ama wo wo poku ase mayira e won kran ha ya ena kuma se so abu agogo woni aban suku no a e wo ho no ena edi enimhwe mesrawo Dr. Edu Jamfi o se gise de awuo anani o hye asukotwa da ka mu anani o hye fom ena ade ne ba na so ya eno de won hwe na ni mu kura na mu obi bia enkwa hom ye woni mu no de ode ne ba wo ba hwe no ama ne ho atimi ato ne pa eno nti frɛ no e wo 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 ena 0500 7272 0500 727215 na one yen abo enkomo just bread and pastries ehona megina hwe da bia ya ne yeka se nia ewo yam no eno na ewu ade kro eno nti ya de aduane pa otiti aduane bone e ma ayefunu di a wo bo hu ndondo ne nkrakase e de ma wosa me pa cho emfa oyefunu no emfa ni agro wo a wo pe kenke pa me se me na me mpe dokono titiri pa na gakomi no na me ntampe nanso josofo adawro manti me di tu ase obaba no odifo asi animu a wo mahye bie na wo yam bie ni nyina joseph kenke correct one pa na wo mo de no wo mo ton ne ba ko 3 Ghana cedis yesi wo a wo ton dokono wo junction so wo a wo ton dokono wo station wo a ton dokono wo dwam wo a wo ton dokono wo mfikyire no sane ye be ya wo bre no eso bete ama wo eruti na joseph wo baaye yesi ye de dokono ne ma 3 Ghana cedis pe na wo wakwa akoton no eboa opebia ende ye wo awasemwa ubetimi aton no 10 7 dia wabeton no 10 ne kura wankasa na nkanchum so asan dia ma ne 7 san said dokono a wo de to ho a na watwemienu na watwemiensa kura no usomu ase faka asende ya ne yebo se faka na buro no nso wo mode ye ne ye ne vitamins wom no a yellow corn no a eno na WHO kura ase ye ntai ni san said no na vitamins wom no ne no bebre wom no eno no wande ye ena bio se won bete wo bra so de ama wonti bia ba bia wo no he afi na wo wo de also beje dokono no ne mo ntimi nchenchenam wo de sadin beka ho enkruma binsi wele ane beefu yamade ade bembiem keka boboso ane makone hyeto no ade beka ho ne nyina no opa ajosofo betima ne nyina de amanti ne wo de ne awohia ne se obesi table na wa pemprete ade asi ho no ano no wa me de bebro ba bia wo bia na wo giton waje won faso ogu botum wo mpe we na apede ahia me pa cho ya so ye no ewo dome enkran ha ya o commercial bank na chiri ho no ene yebutuo ye numbers no na frɛ ye bia na wo ntimi ma wo ye yie abedi to wedding ana say birthday party dwumadie bi a wudi obehia aduane dokono pa wase na ade asefo na bibia timi akobɔkɔ no me pa cho wo nso betimi afrɛ ye 0256 068 832 0256 068 832 ene ya josofo wo mo numbers no na me de ma wo eno nti bomoden na woni wo mo nkasa na bibia enye fine joseph kenki aduane papa wo mo dawroma ena anwumre wo mo aso yasene ya ye de kase no enyina ede ebrewo abusia sabre ya egina mu die na kire se hot bite kase no nto aso ena ye de ema wo no.
Do not open to this page until you are told to do so. Any session be no. Abusia, wa fa atoso mienu de de to abi ne se awrahosam bi asi enkwanhia container ka bi o na akwa sane wura ka foforo no mo ama de asi akire de na opon chicheku ne ncha ne yebekọ a wode beto aye.
Oh my God, Chief Justice said the Assembly Ekwadan ECOWAS Community Court no ye ka say wonum de ho atemu abahefa ene kotoye.
National Security Board so ne dom say one more at the regional ministers ne fan titiem na eba security law no a one more timi ehunu ne ye na ehonsem ye de ba anwumre
na kokompanyin force ye kasa wa entity ye e de ama efutufo e de ma entoaso sukuu no se be ya wonom so asembisi enkwada ne ntemu a obehu kwa pa obetimi e de afaso
Public Utility Regulatory Commission for one more susunsusu e bi de aba na eno na donkuma wo man mra se badwafie wo mabatu egu
asem ya wonom e kasa wonom e boatu egu ni nyina no aka ho bi ama enne yewra afenyo makin wono so so atotu bi e de ama mampanyi John Dramani Mahama e wode e be ho
ene se fie ho ano yewra afenyo makin mo wono makasa ma me komfodo yoko bi asem bi so enam International Women Day a wo mo akunafo ye kai wo mo na nkomo apiepie abusua esawaso
ye bewremu e wo suma ahinkro na ye kasei wo kyerese nesefo ya wonom ebe ye adwuma wo ho no eho akọ atwe e de ama wonom ti no wasere e wo sa ensemi ene afoforo ho
abusia ye wie ne sei ya e be kwa amanone na amanone nsemu no UK kiastama wo free mu se ja wanya prime minister bio na nnura enho ahometie nti Ghana krambo echi wo mu jojo wo mo ewo Boston no ni nyina mu kwahwe UK ho heat wave wo mu namu no hyew pa nyasem kuma wo mo akasa ho enuanom ne yabasa ene agebre ekenkan sem no de ama wo memedin odema nkoma chia me OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH mene mapam no
triple man AGYA ene yabre watia
Oheneyere mame APPIAH YEBOAA esiama bronya
afi ensem ne yentu ne sire na basam fama ententem ya yede ene kirem ewo kanda awrahosam a yensaka na na oponchecheku international national reporter ena wabie sa asemi so se kanda highway no so container truck bio se de na siye wo pere akaskara wo tia break ya muya no ekwawie no ene watete de afifa baabi ama ne asi wa akire no ano edem papa na sansam no na oponchecheku ne di akire na wo hunu de asi nyina na sade wo se kire de ne na nisem pa wo hunu de asi ye no wo bo eho ama ne akire no na oponchecheku nya adaje ekia na so ntremu din etie nkomo no no ne betimi atim ede akire na akwa ababio na kanda highway so eba ne sen na yese o feli breaki ana
Apam Dadaa say okrani nyame anim nie arawustama esi ene awia enwumre ewo kanda eye total filling station no opposite free one mo krampo ekwo eye GBC no ekwan nim entaye bia eben esanso pokra ben eye nima police station no ebra na abo eye awia premto brabo apan with media san ena kesesa eye no mienu abo apan with ma edronu enson 227 ena kesesa rewitemwi eti na apam ne eti ni esenkese na yewu se echegu no eteli break na container esanso siso enti break na ofeli ye no ena kese odi abenye siso ena pon ta na kese ene okochifa esenya ewo na nimuso ne ewo ne nkenchen nyina enti mfoni a wuhye enam so ama pasinya ka akwai oban apam kanu eti kanu fa edi firi ho ema fe de nipa ne ye peja womo edi o ma fi eye window mu ani edi o mu tifem aba ya wusem na ne etie ni se etra na asankani no kyerese wo te pon no ehonum ne ye bia traffic taxi pa se beka kura danu a ema mi akosu ya tenemu anopa ena yeye ho enkabon pokrampo dia tu be twem se eye Kanda highway no ye bia ebibi se du a just echepa enti na se pon no omote no ofia wo hia enye yi nti omo gina ho a ena se esen ebe dinkan fam so nya me ne eda na se container no entinya ntenchi enfenfi eye track ne so antofem tene ko ba sa de am papa ankansha ye ntiasem de ewie kura ni nyina mu no nipa prepra ema ye tini bo modern ko bo efo a eben eye nima police station wono mo eni afenso wo mo onwo eye police headquarters wono mo eni ebinum so kodin komo fa ho hwe kwa obetima fa so a obetimi ahwe aboa enti sabre ya mekase de wo mo pre modern wo mo no mu hia kasa kire no abambofo etimi ahwe ame edom akwakopim ewa yaresabia
enti maame na ote wan na ho nyina moja etene no enya se bia bu na wabu ne nsa nkwanhia na mo a
maame akwanhia no papa akwanhia no ena kese ama maame no ntu ekura na eni enyanse ye betimi atwa because wo hwe ne nan ase ho na wotimi se ni dompe epie efri ho na mi se wono no na wote ekire ho no mo enti ka no eki fa wonsa no ana ejiri ofan no a mejiri se anam so ama maame na nyo no kwa aprante ba ko so onu so ni ti ana ebinim so wo no ma omunan eprepre mu odin pa
so nyame enti no obi amfiri mu de
bi obi amfiri
de ho ase enti e ba sa no dren ni na no wotwi sa container kai no wo fa hen
apam uni baby a wobefa esan se bia ye si na ko ti se sompa ene eye eco bank hono no enye nima police station enye kwankese bia enti no ono ankase sie ena oba be hwe senia etiente se ni de akoya police kwatem ni de on be hefa on betima paso a eno so obehu ni ebekwa kutie
international mo kosoa fa wani di akire na fa asonso totofom di be pie firi ho bia no na watia ye na so ye de wase anwumre ene wo som papa wo de so wakatua panso e mo wodta me na wase na no ponche kunchen ne ekwa we kanda highway no so awia chanchamre enkwanhie esiye ye awia moja nane pa hu so obi de e senete sade sabio wo mo de seka to na ntwe minimu a ne bohuro pese pie ba no na no ponche cheku wode ho ama ne yaso mo ye
Yefri wode yefri ni nchire mo e wakani Chief Justice Adema Omaigana ma me Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Tokuno wano so na kache ebre kakranie ene wo kire se aban ya wote adwaso mpempenyi ya ye Rajon Dramani Mahama edi wo monim no wonom ene no edi asem bi a enhyeda e ma ne bo ento ne yemunte no wo prekotu bia wo hasenom anye ye nam sayo so ema wo peja asem no edi kowie mu e wo economic organized anase ECOWAS mamenka ne sa ECOWAS wonom so akache ne no ena wonom ekwa wo sa no wonom court kese ya eno ewo ho Community Court of Justice ye wo ECOWAS mu no wo de asem no kodan wonom se wonhwe no wonka bi enfama ono ankasa esan se wo ba ye no na ya ade a wo ye na dwuma se temuafo ewo Supreme Court ye no ewo my Ghana hasenom na eno achi no krampo no yese tu na de so se eye panyi ya wo no ehwe emra ho nsam so no wonte ne ho asente no court no enhwe enka bi enfa ema no na asem no edidimuwa ene asetena koso ewo eye ECOWAS Community Court of Justice ema enam so atemuafo ewi asem die no wonom ekire se na asem wo de bedan wonom no enhye da nikon ena enyetire ensuo bia enhyeda enyina munte no ye kasa wonom abo asem ne bongalat eche se woni case bia asem wese hunam soma Dr. Simsai e de ababeto eche se abasobode ena wode ekwama emranimfo ye omkogina mu e de ma my Ghana wo che se wonom e boaboa wonom hu ye preparation no ekoye na wo kono so no na wonim dia wo kwakwaka wonim eye mra no ena wonim adanse ya wokita enu ntine na wonom emohu kurente no ensemu a ebeto odwa ewo eye Mami Gertrude Kane Attorney General ne nsensem ya ode kodan ye ewo eye ECOWAS Community Court of Justice no ena ye kase no wonom obagu na so no se wonom agina eye asemba ko asembie no anasa asemiensa so ene botugu ye ne de wonom amfa nkyeremu ama ne mpata sika ya no wase wo hwehwe age ede afiri o my Ghana ehwo no so no enya de akoto no kyese $10 million no enya de anasem ne tomunte no wonom age sa empata sika no efri Ghana ho a enya de a ebeye nti wei ene ensem kakra ya kyese eno efri eye Community Court of Justice ECOWAS eye ekonimo eba ene enwumre
afi yamra fi yefri ECOWAS fo ho na yamra afisam so afo onimnyamfo Muntaka Mubarak Mohammed triple M aso asemra shebedwani na yamfa ne nsem ne bi ento aso na papa yakasa wo kire se one day wo kaka de akire mantam aso afo ne nyina se enye sabre me regional minister nti me ne chairman bi ne e wo issues pa nti afa na security agencies no wa me mpota mu a me na me ye bi a red check se me di o ma no na me ye adwuma no tren no na me de security agencies no me de wo kwa nyantam obi kom da bi sa de na nya kra anu nti wa ma warning aka kire wo say wo sa nipa bia wo di to me ebe ye sa by partisan security agencies state security agencies wo di be wura mu sa no nya de a mbe pren kra na bra wo kasa no na ye dwuma de esronko kra ya woni di ne nkra he ya na pon checheku wodi mu tintiman pa eno de nse we say etodwa
of the security institutions have no place within this framework. Many times people will call you, oh, we are in power, but it looks like we are not in control. They want you to be using the security apparatus anyhow. This guy, the one in opposition, he last slapped our constituency chairman. This is the time to show him where power lies. That's not your role, because if you do use your powers arbitrarily, you will also be contributing to destabilizing your own region.
We aye Muntaka Mubarak Mohammed. Warona waya so afo a wo hwe afisam so na wode nsem we nyina ɛde ɛtu dwa ɛwɔ dwumadie kɛseɛ bi a na wɔn di ne nkran ha na wei no na yɛ n'akɔkɔfoɔ ɛne national security foɔ mpanimfoɔ na ɛhyiahyia yɛ a na wɔn mu di nkɔmɔ a wɔde saa nsɛm wɔ nyinaa ɛtu dwa.
Some issues are security issues and it must be treated as such. When we're brofo, ya na security for the canasa. Assemble ho e bambosem enti ano no sabio ye ni ho nkomo sade etie na na ese ye no. Na pani a wo no national security we coordinator COP Osman Abdul Razak. Na wo de afutuo na akọ e de ama regional ministers no. Sir de friend say Security and Intelligence Agencies Act 2026 de na wonu mutintim ye no. Act 1168 no. Wo ka kire wo say wo mfa mo won ho bra sa de be na wo manta na bambosem ebetimi agina yi na wo nkokura kura hwirehwire na bra wo mo de ntete ne ma wo mo a ye kire wo sa apoyi no. COP Osman wo kire de ntia wo ye ntete no.
This training forms part of the deliberate structured national effort to modernize and strengthen Ghana's National Security Governance Act. The National Security Reforms Program is anchored on 5 key objectives. 1. Modernizing our governance framework to reflect institutional democracy and an evolving threat environment. 2. Aligning our security architecture with constitutional provisions and international standards while strengthening institutional coordination. 3. Enhancing oversight and accountability across our security institutions. 4. Building of capacity at national, regional, and district levels to implement the Act effectively and lawfully. And finally, developing a coherent regulatory framework to give the Act its full operational force.
We ayabra national security for any nakoko for no one modern church entity Emma regional ministers no and COP Osman Abdul Razak ya wono national security coordinator wono edis asemi eto na no ponche cheko eni mu se mo na mo ka ya ye nyina atie ente mo nkoka wo mo kase no so a ya boso amawu
afe yewrem wen e won sem kro no ho no Narcotics Control Commission na kompanyimfo wonom identity ye bi ede ama wonom a wonom eye empanyimfo ya wo hwehwe adwene na wasan etufo e wo senior high schools ahodo mu e wo bunu mantem na ne wo bra na dwumedie no ekoso no commander ya wono eye Bron regional na kompanyimfo no otua wonom no yewra Ernest Owusu Sapon wo church botaya pote ya etechenti a sa anamontuo eni ginesie wese no wonom etimiesi.
This training is being organized by the Narcotics Control Commission to help equip counselors in schools with knowledge in drug interventions so that they'll be able to provide early interventions for students who are confronted with drug issues. So we advise that as parents, periodically, we should have time to go to schools and find out how our children are behaving. Secondly, when they come back home too, it is important that we get closer to them, sit down with them, and then talk to them.
Any boy a quote sim and penito sansua a yan na come brudiem sebe your my Ghana yen Dutch a one mebunu muntino eno bonenum say ye tramadol afewi ene a yen de keka hono ese wonom no sebe ya Dutch intimi say en kwechintino and our chese wonom identity we say ma sebe ya e bi bedru empanyifo ne mo behu kwan a ombetimi ne nkwada na tenase na de wo ema wonom sebe ya besesa wa brabo no watimi ede ama won we Bron regional commander ede man na kwakira Ernest Owusu Sapon ena ekasa ye ne kasa no echi no ena mantam no panyi kwanchefo ya wono ehwe enwomesua so yewura Gabriel entry wodo so ede enkrahemapa ede ma wona wode ba ye no se wo beji ntitiye wo ma won hom ne so na nimde no wonfa entimi enya adwuma ema mfa so de empie mu mara.
We have the guidance and counseling coordinators being trained to enhance their awareness of these drug menace in our schools. And it's going to strengthen their capacity to be able to identify such individuals in our schools, give them the guidance that they need, and also if there's the need for referral, they do.
Ewumesia kwanchirefo ya wono ewo Brumantamu Yewura Gabriel enchi na no disem ene twagu ye ne krakra mu no coordinators ya wonom so ekonya mfasode ewo dwumedie mu no wonso wode kakra ya wode etwa atoni.
Today's program has been a very wonderful program, and so we discussed about drug or substance abuse, of which is on the rise on our various secondary schools and technical institutions. And so what we are going to do now, what I'm going to try to implement is that we are going to liaise with the form masters and HODs so that any sign or they suspect anything, they should hint to the school counselors, and so that we can also come in and try to counsel them one-on-one or either group.
There were several factors I was not paying attention to. Issues like hormonal changes which female or girl children go through when they are menstruating or during their cycles. And now I believe that I have to pay attention because some of them feel moody, some of them, because of their heavy flows, they need to be talked to on how to go about things. Some of them can take substances because of the uncomfortable situation they find themselves. And I also realized that there are some factors, the risk factors and other factors that can prevent
na chese nkwada no efiri na ekure no wonum ani ada ho ewo wonum susu ni won ba bi ho wo kyerese mpo no wo ba ehya ase ebu ne nsai wo school mu ho na eya te bia bia wo wura mu sania eniema sitie wo mu nyina no ma benya ho nteteye ene nimde ya wo kwe wo kyerese wo de be ye adwuma na emfasode bi atimi aba we coordinators ene na kokfo training ya wo ye ede ma wonum ewo promantem no won de ya wo kan ye ene ede atodwe na agyima opambo na daroma ena yensa ekansemi.
Abusian fe yewura mo ewo ensem foforo mu na former chairman edema NPP amonyoko no Paul Awentame Afoku ena kura Ghana Today so na ne ho apie mu pa ewo papers no mu na ne nsem bi a wogusu a woka kane no let's say 2015 ena wamo Upper East Regional Chairman Adams Mahama ni papi ko ye ne dom ema wo mo ko hwehwe asidi nyina kura gu ne so a wo bobo ansa kura no obewo na yire chese wo hyeda bo bidin na Gregory Afoko mu nyina di bam allegedly na no na Paul Awentame Afoko wogusu ya campaign say di bia no a na wokita mu denden a omo twe ne sensan ye nti wantimi han 7 time kura nyu hu say so mu opposition wobeso osan ba say de na no wobefa amonyoko ni free opposition de no ba power ewie ye no wobesa befa esa de woba power bio 2028 eno na wo hia delegate ni bia no wo bonkomo a eno wo che say sa one original chairman no Adams ya nipa bi kwa ya ne dom no wano Paul Awentame Afoku wonim ho hwe ni busua ni bia nso nim ni wo ne ho hwe na se ya kampo a wano ansakura no wabe ya chairman no Mahama Adams Mahama mpo ena endo ase ne form ede ma no ode bedi chairman na wei ya ne dom.
Our late regional chairman Adams, I can stand here today and tell you that I have no hand in what happened to him. My family had no hand in what happened to him. His grandmother was given to his grandfather by my grandfather Afoko, the chief of Sandeman. The person who signed my forms to go and contest to be national chairman was Adams. We allowed people to come and play games with us. As if we are fools. As if we are fools. People play games with us. The thing that then brought our problem, and it shouldn't have been a problem, was me coming up with a new part of my new plan for power, which said that we will break the 8.
What? Enti was it me nim ho hwe me busua ni bia bibra enso nim ho hwe se na anokra Gregory Afoko ya wo mode so bo to ne so kra no court agya no ya wotifi a wodi ne nkwe kakrakra eno nti wonde wo ka se Adams Mahama nyamemfa ne kransie wono na wone ne nyina ne papa mpo ena wo mu nyina kambo mu a ba bia wo mote akra no wo mu nya asase no edetena so eno nti si de mpo ena obi aturu akwahwe nkwa wono de nkokoturu ne de akwahwe wuo eno nti wo mu nti benya saada wei eye Paul Awentame Afoku wo pre se MPP mu wo mo nto abama no na dwemte ne dibie no wo mefa wone Jombo adu mo na pre
abusua eye Sompa hot bite kase no a ya kan hye na so anwura no mu no eno ne yede somwe menem se wasom wani so nyina aye ne dedede no fefefe koso ana ene ye nante Facebook no so no se eye Sompa memfa FM no nka ho Accra 106.5 live na de ahye ho udem na one ye nyina ene ekro na no aponcheche kukuro ya wasan so de foforo atoyembio na we yewura adoma ko mensa donkuma wo mayemra se bedwafie no woka won ho na se wokọ energy committee no nso a woka ho we deputy ranking member and was say Public Utility Regulatory Commission PURC any eternity ade frɛ wo mo no sabio wo mo moya konhoma na yedwuma ye nso no wo mo nim akatua ede mayen na nso wo mo timi tenase ya de won sa bo wo mo tirimu a na wo mo susu ehu obi abotom de ese yi firim na wo de tuatuato sɛ ye nkane a ana ensuo na ehu ade a nimu petrol de nyina da enti sese wo mo se ebe hia sɛ nka 3.49% electricity tariff no nkantumumra ana donkuma wo badwafie ho ya yewura adoma ko mensa Collins wo ka ho sɛ ranking member ne sɛ feri we de wo mote ase enye nya de wo mbesoso na ewia wo mosan akoya aka sɛ na Apam Dadaa no ne sa to ho na ye ne ho bibia ye abra ye tie firi IMF ase na de tie de wo kan.
I have their statements here. 4 major factors: the Ghana cedi dollar exchange rate, inflation rates, the price of natural gas, and then the generation rate. Now, if you look at the Ghana cedi dollar exchange rate, they themselves, they are telling us that they are using an exchange rate of 11.2228 to a dollar. The last time they did a reduction, they used 11.193. If you look at the change, it's 0.2%. If you go to inflation, indeed, they are using 3.43%, far lower than the 4.17% that they used in the first and second quarters. Indeed, they themselves tell us that the difference is about 17.74%. Price of natural gas has dropped from 8.0988 USD to 7.97. The generation mix has not changed. So how does just a change of exchange rate of 0.2% push you to increase electricity by close to 4%? It just does not add up. And I'm surprised that PURC is doing this to us. I'm totally surprised. Cumulatively, they've increased electricity by 31.69%. From January 2025 to date. It was just this first and second quarters of this year that they reduced it by 4%. Even that, we challenge that. So I'm surprised that PURC is doing this to the Ghanaian people.
Honorable Collins Adoma Komensa, wano Lewin Krum MP no, and I say Wakasa, a woman Sabbath watches a PRC for such a 1% to Monomrana dear, woman sandwich.
Wasan de to so biem ehre se wa Apam Dadaa no apenso eya de a wonom ene IMF nhihye ya wo mo ye no wonom edi hyemu se kwota bia no anase bia bosom imense bia no ensesemu betimi aba ebo ni mu na no no enkyere se bia bibia na bekosoro ebetimi aba fom na empimpi ye wo mu no nanka wo hwe animu se entomu bia ma na emom enteso ena nka beba nso aban we se ba ye no asa wa hyeda emia Ghana fom ne e wa abra kyese wono wonwene ye ho kora na sansem we sei ena wo kyese mu bia emfa so bo no enkobo Apam Dadaa ne se ne nhihye ye mu ena oye ne sa to ho ye hyehye ye no se be ya nka bre ye wo mu no enteso ebeba ensuo ene enkane abom ne mom enye te se de ye hu no ewo entomu kwan so.
Indeed, when they came to power and the first, second, third quarters of 2025, when PURC announced an increment, they still insisted that this was an agreement they had met and therefore they had to implement. A few months ago, it was announced that government has exited the IMF program. This particular increment now then kills that propaganda that it was not true that the Nana Dankwa government signed onto a program that, as it were, gave PURC the mandate to quarterly increase. Now the IMF is not in town, but PURC is still increasing. What it means is that the factors that determine an increment or a decrease is different from the agreement that was signed with the IMF. So I think this announcement kills that propaganda. And I think it's important that we make that very, very clear to the Ghanaian people that His Excellency Nana Dankwa did not sign onto a program that, as it were, enjoined Ghana to always increase. Indeed, the agreement stated that we should have quarterly adjustments. Whether the adjustment will be up or down will depend on the factors at any particular point in time, which obviously normally goes beyond the control of PURC. So that's the first point that I think is important that we make.
Afrija kwabri note about one person so santimante mom no shebedwene ya wuremu ewo bedweko ya won mom no shebedwem ehihye enema efa hoodene yeso a wono ene kasa edema edom kuma no Yewura Collins Adoma Komensa nana oponcheche gubra wo kasa ewo no shebedwem no ena wotwea no de semibia wode besom yen
eno santi Ghana fo bi no makasa de afa ho se ade de ye ntua o nanka demonstration bi a wo mo be ye pa de atia PURC for mo nim yesika mo ba ye Mu PURC for Kamukra na mo can be the more man for Nanso. Moya no makwata aban na chi. Ade mu kra mo se PURC commissioner no kra aban na yi no. Enti okwa woni aban na nyina na to kese. Wo mo kɔ na kra na. Enu nti nya de a mo dwena manfo ne ho. Wo na nsan ne wo ho kra ye ntimi ntua. Asante mantam wo mo a ho no na ye kasa yo. Wo ne ba ba bedu na e bosa nkomo yi. Enu mo che se ne etwa mo nsu mo san yo mo hi kese akra ye watade no. Ensuo mu bia na awotwe miensa bosome na wo munya nsuo enso da bia wo de bele ba na mu wiya san ba betum na wei emfa so papa be no munya firi wo mo so enu nti wo mu de wo ka de akire PUIC fo ECG fo ene mu Adam Mutawakilu mu Ghana Waterfo no se mu nim na se mutum 1% kura no a ni on be ye mu Ghana ha no mu benu mu ho
yɛmpene mo ntum na entum kyina nsuo no kura no ɛma na masan ba betutu water be mu mutimi tunsun be na ɔkyimienu ɛkɔ some ansa na mako bie ne be 2 days na yɛte wɔn ma masan ga se yɛ san betutu water be mu yɛmpene mo ntum mo gya attempt sɛ mbotuma demonstration be yɛ tia wo mu kura no wo mu kura wo mu mpɛ because peaceful no wo mu na wɔ sɛ wo mu hwɛ a wo mu hwɛ ma ntumu ba wo mu ɛbɛka bia ma wo so makɔ akɔta wo mu akyi na yɛ sɛ diom be bia mo so mo fa so makɔ gye sika di na mo yɛ saa enyina wɔ sɛ mo hwɛ na mo ka ensuri de yɛmpene mo ntum light no so saa ewiase na ayɛ den nipa ni adwuma yɛ kora ewiase ayɛ den ɛbɛrɛ ne yɛtimi anya sika de akwa kotua light bi ni whatever mo san se yɛ san ba betutum
munya adwene titu kra nsuo yɛbɛtuma atuma 3 weeks asana be na ba be ni bɛba kwan so no bibu kra kasa be ne ma enti ni ankasa yɛntum kra ba kra mitimi ntwia ne yɛ sɛ bɛtumo esrɛ mpanyin wodo mu yɛ mɔbɔ pa na dene papa no yɛ bi yɛnka so nyɛ bi wa yɛ bi pa ba we de esrɛ mpanyin to abaten wo mo srɛ ni bebree
What? And I feel almost slap papa no. Unim papa cro. Mampani mahama no. And one more sense of papa do buy why you my pound. Now so I say wait dear and fat edgy dim one knocker at the to the knee so. Na dimbo way sent to me what? Ya net a tone to my here one way the actually honor and a back home. Never more catch the PUIC for Magis come from Sikan come home. Magia Bansi Kabi and I easy if one Ghana water for Sika. Moon from Sikan come home. Now I'm on Greek cra. Some was with him to Munibadia. Ghana for us a woman force again. Now Sadia way in Nano, a Ghana phobia was antimantum. One so muntiane, woman to Yachna, one the Fabo baby so, and Yakana come at the Ama world.
And my young Rome, my Imra Sabe Jeffy, who I be away. Baby, I know point to Kumu word, Masono, Eddie Sonson Papano. Now, Wamu Busa, PRC for any Busa senti, Wamun to men, you know, who cried Dakro, and was say, Sikani Ada Sabotum to Wamoteso. Abribia just and to Song. And no, I ask my woman busa. No, Anna, one month a year could afford Sabio Diancaja, or Bapre Atiama woman Diani Hunti. One month say, wo crash no, one must I say Casa. Now, Unamu say we are singing da woman ye dear Siwo. Now, what they a Casachre could afford Asha woman day say, would they dear Nan and the war no wumpa for Nitunya Meso. Na Nepa Ebeba. Sound come when no, we are singing Eddie. And then my Mrasha one more class at Nana, Anna, Mamma Comfort, do you? What about Boss Robert Chester? Sir, International Widows Day, no? Ghana may even few. No, could afford half papa, teach room by could afford no. And mamma in your free movie pet near you on back 1 hour. As a woman, I be. One more cran I be oh, a Japadia Honsuana, a Bushas I near Jaboso, and Wasem. And you will be as handsome as your pet, and I be I is the Mrasha Jenny, Honorable Richard. A champon. One also sorry and walk as an watch I say, I a woman's an so. Mammy do you like I say, you know, watch I say, and my, a break could afford a young man could a yakuna for. A man so a yebi. Now dear Tidio can ya. Yes, what him could tell to Gemno.
Mr. Speaker, it is good that she brought this matter up so that we can also have a second look at how widows are treated when their spouses pass on. But she's only talking about women. But men also suffer. These days, women abuse men, and when they get to the point that their properties, they themselves file for divorce and go for half of their property, they complain that the men are not treating them fairly. But when they pass on and they are complaining, we are widows. There are discrimination. Mr. Speaker, it's about by the time the women will also support their husband, pray for them, help them to survive, live longer, so the two of them can enjoy life. So, Mr. Speaker, we need to support the vulnerable in society. When the man passes on, at least what is due, the widow must be given, especially with the children, so that they can also have a meaningful life. So, Mr. Speaker, the succession tested law is something the House must work on. Pass that law and make sure that what is due everyone is given, so that the woman will support the man will succeed, but when the man passes on, nothing is given to the woman or the children.
Na sasemi ya wo boss wa ana ententem etiwa isimra sebedweni maame abna wo sayasare wono so ebeti bi edebe kan ho na de yentie ne de no.
Mr. Speaker, really it isn't easy for widows in this country. So as we have set a day aside to talk about them, I think we have to put our heads together to find ways of how we can unease the burden that they go through when they lose their husbands. So for someone, not just anybody, but someone in leadership, to say that it's a man's world, so whatever happens, happens. Mr. Speaker, respectfully, I don't think it is right. Even coming from a leader, from the front bench, Mr. Speaker, I think he has to withdraw this. A lot is going on. Widows are suffering. And Mr. Speaker, as makers of the law, we will have to come together and put strategies and suggestions in place to help ease the burden of these widows. But to hear ourselves, or one from leadership, say that it is a man's world, so then it is okay. Mr. Speaker, respectfully, that is not the case. Respectfully, I would like for you to ask him to step down what he said.
Now, one more can we in no, and honorable Mama Yarega, majority leader, one also better in Senum.
Mr. Speaker, I believe that the mere fact today in this chamber, we have made a statement on International Widows Day, and we are commenting on it, is an indication that we have come far, that we are beginning to recognize the plight of widows as a major concern that we as a parliament must take on board. My deputy whip made a point very strongly that we have been living in a men's world, and we have been trying very hard to put in place infrastructure that will equalize the status of men and women. The Affirmative Action Bill clearly requires that in sharing national opportunities, we give women their fair share. If we religiously comply with this legislation, in the end, we will not have a disproportionate number of men who will be better positioned than women, and ultimately, when either gender passes away, the other gender tends to suffer more, because even in life, women don't get as much. But if we implement the Affirmative Action Bill and the law that we have passed, women will have so much. Many years to come, there will be a fair balance. Whether it's a woman who has passed or a man who has passed, the remaining partner will be equally positioned to take care of themselves. This is the context in which my colleague, Honorable Achampong, was making his comment.
And the majority leader, na wababa church and senu said, na yera Richard Champon can nankanya ne bone so. Na nipa na agina no ediesi bone. And now no say majority leader. Watch church na papa no. Wo patch na no point cheku na nsemi what to aye
yada so adwemu e wo mrahye bedwam yewremu e wo domkuma no wono ba no den ya wasaye futu mrahye bedwani woni monyafo Alexander Afenyo Mark ni die mu panyinya kasa e wo mrahye bedwam e de nsem bi ye no eye sobo nsem e de yantam ni nua no mo wonom eye dom kese no ni nyina ene se bo kire se wonye die ho nsem wo mrahye bedwafo na fa no eyade Apam Dadaa ya wotwam na danko akufo ado na wotua wo ma no eyade a wofato ne ho so a ebasa woni wonum di nhyiamu bi a wonfa ho se we ya amanyoko anase bi woka wonum nyina bom no wasuesu adwene na wahwe de yema wonum no waye amabia so bia eso na so no wose wono de wonam no wotete se mampanyi John Dramani Mahama eyade a wone eye dom kese no brahye bedwafo no akọ benkro mu se wonum ekọ akoye nhyiamu na wonye die ho nsem no we kokoba ne dedeba wonum nyina ya krobofo mu se wo ka asem bia na se wo peye die bi apredi amamna hye bedwafo a yenyim se bia wona woni wo mu wo ayamanyoko mu enkoada na obeye wase wese no eyade a entwe yenti no wono de wamaso eye 276 constituencies ya wonum enso na musifo ewo mna hye bedwam no yewra fanyo se mampanyi so wonhyiamu die bia woni wonum nyina eni na wonya SNDC fo nko a emna hye bedwafo ena opese wo hia wo mu no
We are aware that you are going to the presidency. Very discriminatory call. We have a 276-member chamber. The president, who is supposed to be a father for all, decided to only invite his side. We know the welfare issues that are going to be discussed. Mr. Speaker, I don't know whether you've been invited, but Mr. Speaker, it is only the 180-something that have been invited by the president. When we have a 276 members and you say you're going for a meeting, which meeting? This side of the house is part of the country, and the president is only inviting your side to take care of you. Mr. Speaker, is that how we run a country? A president who is discriminatory? Mr. Speaker, we protest this matter. We protest this. I was a majority leader in this house. Mr. Speaker, I know that anytime President Akufo-Addo was dealing with welfare issues, he dealt with the entire house. Yes, the majority leader has failed Parliament. How can you carry your side to the presidency? We will not agree. If the president is inviting Parliament, all parliamentarians must be invited. And we will be there. We will be there.
Simple, not just a worker so to you were you bonny we say a dom kumano bono then you run munyan for Alexander and your marking and I just said walk a sanity to the biana a mu ye dear jawono and to the biana easy now some more copaja so I'm not sure Germano and a madam Kessie and one bono denny ye Ramahama Yaragano say amasa nada ya come up and you are say oh ya now as a kawakuma to ye question we are. So wouldn't kwaya me kasa me so wonsa na me do akwa na ye kwhia mampanya wan kasa no wo how anything.
What is your problem? I will take you to John Mahama. I will take you there. In fact, your entire caucus, we have heard your plea and your appeal. There's enough space. He will receive you. He will discuss with you the welfare of MPP as a party because he's father for all. He's father for NDC, he's father for MPP. Throughout the period that Akufo-Addo was president, there was no one single occasion when I or any of my colleagues were invited to go and meet with Akufo-Addo to discuss welfare matters. Mr. Speaker, President Akufo-Addo never invited us at that time on that side to go to the Flagstaff House to discuss any welfare issues. Our conditions of service are determined by a committee set up by the President, and that is the basis of the welfare of members of Parliament.
What is your problem? I will take you to President John Mahama. I will take you there. In fact, your entire caucus, we have heard your plea and your appeal. We Mahama Ayaliga, Dom Kessiano Bano Denny, and I watch us here Rafael Makin. Ne how ne send was one can come to your menche, or Mukuman Penny Bar, or Bessomansa, nor do Madium Ewo Honso.
I feel free Brashem. Now, what do you say? I put it to you. Where's to say, what are you doing? Where's to say, I am sleeping? Nina to me see our Brashem. Near fear and Chem were born you by mine. Now, Mount Fona or Ni Super said, what do you have or the Mount Tourism Center no hono? Hey, a you. Now so quite pie at the Quaba mine. Hey, Ebusia, but a Facebook way. Now, Mount Fona Casaho. Now, Bawa Bay in the call, and I will say, Cromaha, Mokaniana.
You can't say slow more, but rubber mine. You can't need the Yanti for much a while, but so Mumla no Mayapano, and from my you can go to get for much. But you put that the Bahano, and Choma and I do like to go out to every Choma had no particular Otoma or Betula. You can go to this Roman Penny, as Sereno Kenny, and maybe a bull rubber mine. Now, Omega Yapano, and from my shop when ya, or mobile song by your mother Giga. What is cry? I can't quote little mupla. So, yes, I ban a map where by my amabo. She's a representative from me. We quote all the crowd. Yes, sir, I bind a car. There's a big piece way cried in your near come and say that you're quite side. It back to Cramaya and honey. I want to know if you're a crab and it goes to a car. You always going to know. You're also who's your nephew. Now we are saying, it's what the able car, it's what Cassima has it. Cabano the US winning. It's a good way for me. There are some time.
We born you by mine. A month for the binono. Now, some we want to Bob Bedu Amanansu, one and Nana or Drew, a brasa watching your Tosamiano. One eye in a proper born you by mine. One in the bon como, and announce the other two.
toilet center no be make fa ho say titu wo mo no se bia wo hu be bia wo mo ya hoho mo firi amano ne kwa no enye ntinye modimo ene na sefo a nipa ye de na ahye ne sa na ya ankobi ho betuma aka hwe so wo duru benyina ntiye nam se kwa na enye no se we bia ni mle se wo beba ha na wo ma nti toilet center no ebua kuru the best way about says Stella, a quano, dear, or more modern, no meboa, near not toilets, no, and you. That's a school is so pie, and they control this is assembly anymore. They blay. If you do that, the nature say, what's it? Miana, me couldn't name, and then crazy for no crown, we never be in Cusco. Timmy Bowman, who modern, a month would be a boy, and mammy, and she and see the baby, the two names say, Sabi, yeah, you have required additional cement. Nah, baby, a formerly baby. Or why ye be a school na ye come na matimi said me printing ho a na printing ho and school no so hia both JSS and primary nana odro abebrese waten ye otoso mienu won na bonwire ba man won na ye hempopra wada no e ho no ni nyina wo kwabre east mansi no mu enti me na hye badwani ene aban crash mpanimfo ene Ghana aban mu mpanimfo ye ka nyina santimantem so afa Dr. Frank Amakɔhene waboboa no negu woman de sui kwa hwa wone ba wa beidu ena de kase yi ebesom yen
abusuya ye free ba beidu de so a ebenezo so ansan so sai wonai o adwuma ne de ba wo mo bo enti sompa market apa no enya me nwanwa se ayesem frama na enam ba bia afa no southwest eho ene woto nkra free na ebenezo so ansan se honorable Abaka Sadik wasaka ne ho bio waye na ade ne bio na ade na wo ye no empuntu no opese ade hye wo mpotem ho no wode twa wo mo tesebrato na weya wo kan no ase wo mo kota common fund no de ese wo mo nyanya wo mu ene eho ade nyina waye ho adwuma na honorable Abaka Sadik eka de wo mo de common fund na ye ni de ntia empotem ho no empuntu eba esene baabia
the assembly budgeted to collect 940,000 Ghana cedis as internal generated fund for the year 2025. However, a total of 994,512 Ghana cedis, 76 pesos, was collected, representing 106% of the budgeted amount. Although 904,512 cedis, 76 pesos, was collected, the Assembly incurred an expenditure of 1,151,435 72 pesos.
Sure. Accounting be what? And no, honorable Abaka Sadik, and now, Sikana Dawson, 900,000 every. Now, we are no honorable Paul Conscious, one no, and a presiding member, ewo Empotemu, Nidi hour the truth.
I have to ask whether I even made it in one of my submissions. First in history said a DC will be given a sectional address. Now the all come on a sectional address now so the pictures. Actually, and my time the business assembly member who assembly can or project we want answer DC sectional address we plan Obia and because Obia in project I also want in persuasion. And Emma and then meeting media as no class. This the problems. One, electricity, fine, school dying, one of the major problems for our district.
Enti ura adesia womo afano southwest hwa. Womo presiding member. Ya se wode totomra se badwafia. Anka womo aba no na ote se wokasa twatwe honorable Paul Conscious. Ebenezo uso ansa. Ene ma yensa kansem. Yefi woni yefi ani nkyeremu ewo bunu mantemu na no ewo German North abato mpesua susuma hinkrasem ena making deputy midwife ya wono ewo suma hinkro health center eye maame ya wono soso ni din ede Ophelia Amiya wadi adesrede ede ma ban wona woka bie wom ewo apomode ho nsem so se e drop entia woni so wanim ena ya na esan ne sa yoso nti no wakyese edan ahodo a nurse for ne midwife for ye adwuma wo no wode wonti ebeto no eho akwatwe ne sa yoso nti no ama nurse for kora ho akwatwe esan se wo bi firi kuro ba no wo ba sa wono no onya baabi na ede ebe na be kire se wo kwa obesa babiem wakyese mpanyimfo hwe na wonom emeye wonom adom ewo ho
on empany for Nkasa. Because I pursue him and a bahaya, a high down the boy adding. This is a different brand of happen. No, it's not quite a question. Yes, let me say, we call him penny for Nkasa. Anka, what is no Musia Mayano? Uncle Moon completing my Anka, or moon father from Po and Caho, and from my necessary. Yes, no, and this idea about pie, the twin is a cat theatre and a Scottish. Yes, and a pa turn.
Deputy midwife ya wono ewo Suma Hinkro Health Center eno ewo German of Mensimo Bromantemo Madam Ophelia Ameya Ofi wono ena yete ne kanana jmo pambo ena twen ensemi ebaye
afi yego gina mo ensan kobio ewo Tama South Mensimo mu na ho na ye gina ya Olivia for Emmanuel Kwame from Pon wo ye abankra chipeni wo hui wo kire se Bechem Government Hospital wo muzu hia bi pa nuntu akwa yo madoye Adoya wakwakoye omuno oduru ho wakasa ye bra na woni Ebenezer owusu ansa nenam
Buache eno mudinsa woso efa ye current regional minister honorable Charity Gardner anyakopan ya adoma omode enema esombo a ebetimi bi aboa ma pomuden nsiesie etimi akoso e bi abrem ewe municipality na yesi asasa fa bia o de kire je enema na ba na ti pa kon ko she empase ese e de kire amansa hu se enema dwumaku a ewa buchimam e bi abrem se we pamwa na soso ya pomuden samtimi ko na nimo no Madam Paul Baye no so yetini e dia ma hospital no so be mu say yefane pepepe entile da ya ene na efi
we onimnyamfo Emmanuel Kwame from Pon niema ode kwama Bechem Government Hospital na do so pa enu nti medical superintendent our sanso krampo surgeon specialist Dr. Kofi David Tumasi wono so je eda asise
and progress. Yeshe and Kabuma, immediate past regional minister, current regional minister. I am my Kenya medical items. So the same man. And you can see be MI. Like I say, currently, Bechem Hospital, across the surgical hub of Alpha. It's the same about page now. A henna, more now, Eba. No man so rich now, more now, surgery related. Let's say Abba at the very right time. I feel so. If you be OPD per capita, last year 1.5, no money 1.2 and more. Last year I had 1.5. Just in Peba, say no, a dozen. I feel so by half year and so. Open per capita so increase 1.8. There's a percent turnout now, increase more. Into night and near more.
We Dr. Kofi David Jumasi, one on what in some way na to Yamane Boni Ebenezer, Wusu and San and Nimuno. Midima for Bar Center, Dauro Makahumbi, and Yasum, and Joshua Kenki, and also Akahumbi and Yasum Kama Pa. Abusia, Wama Dauro Menti, my anibota Tamiansa, 3 seconds a pet. Nayan Chawa, yes, is here.
Sompa TV, Emma Akatuapa.
And Ogasampa, Emma Akatuapa. Say, see, Yadin Samono, boya now to den. Na yensi from Yekojina UK, a one yejina. Na, baby, a yejinano, baby, a wire she, our gosport, our Hampshire and Fifi 1. Say, Uko drew a wa, canino no record no crano, at 35.6 degrees Celsius. We near Dower Free 1976. And near him so already a wire she say trim. Say baby Amadano, Omoda red warning, extreme heat pa. And England anyways, a guamoso, and 20 ma ukopium say see our England ni wosa, ya casa my me nubomwa. Sukusu makuma pim, and a wire tomb, there's a brapim was more than 1,000. A brapim and a wire tomb some and we are now some cassia and out one. Nana Santi, yes, my man above for no. Am I want to tell her? The man for anybody in common.
I normally love the hate, but even I find it challenging now, to be honest. I just taught a class in Richmond, one of the studios here. I teach bar and yoga. So even though I'm maintaining daily movement and my classes are still on and still fairly busy, I think it's important to stay hydrated.
Horrible. It's not very nice. It's not got no let up. Yeah, you can see it out here. It's baked. You drink water. That's all you can do, really. I doubt it. As long as the paddles go in, and we might be going home early, but Where's work to be done?
No air conditioning in this vehicle. Obviously, I might better get in my car with the air conditioning on it.
Are you taking any extra precautions to manage the weather? Ice one. Put it in the freezer last night to keep cool.
Where your man for be a UK. Now, who could do Kent? And Siri, Crampo, dear, Hodie. A broso cra. Say, I can share a crazy sissy rough offer. Says the customers in Timinko, Oko, not France, London, North Eastern Railways. One much I say. Says I do procure in Tunan Country, say one more train for no cra, 1 year kwaku 2. A banasa, a haukasia palm, and a deba. Way so, and a yegina. Now, and you may near a shassia, a biting is a she. If you know the Mumpamu, Edibus Sabrino, ye didn't na SC, Medima for Bassant and I saw your son, my yadin 7 na Ebersum Wabra. Na just what kinky, and so bochi domino, ye didn't na Amawa Kama. Some punk rabatani na FI, a brother for Par Radio, Efa, Nada my FM, 100.7 so J, Kingdom 106.1, our Mancasim, F, and I can see about radio so J, you know, here the West Sea. St. Augustine, any bretuba, one mother roman, one boy chidom, and my headache cassering at the Mawa. And Yanoma. Yabasum waje a breaking can cassering na de ma wono eye me odoman kuma chiame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH yene yapam no
triple A man AGYA Black Star supporter NFA
Oheneyere mame akua YEBOAA esia mabronya yadamu nyina mo ase ye sorry dwumedie nkaye no etoa so ewo makwem.
Point homeopathy clinic. Ghana had the obi enim say ye prostate. Na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu asia. Na ye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Anase ye kidney, ye liver problem. Wo fa baby e na adjujo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic. Na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Ye endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wo mo damu fua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na kidney problem prostate dear endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic e wo konoma boy here e na Accra hanso so dear wo mu gina mu ankasa e wo spinters bebre friend share signboard no hudru na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic obia e be kire for endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mu demufua 21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia ji 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best yard no massa the machine account. Aya sabia yari bia wutimi the corner my dear Pakua woman gidi womupano. Aya sciatica and a stroke so the qua diabetes ni hypertension ni adenia de. Ghana have bia womo and cry her. Say you what Tantra Hill runabout. So we free and cry